What's up, everybody? So you guys know how crazy the market is, and you guys know how much I want to buy a 20-unit building, but right now the numbers just don't make any sense. And you know, by having the money in the bank, you can't really do nothing. It's like every asset class right now is just so high, and it's like, what do you do with your money, right? So instead of having my money just parked in the bank, I figure, why not buy a flip property? And that's what we actually did. We actually bought a flip property, and I want to show you guys this new flip property and kind of go through the process. Now, I'm not like a professional flipper or anything like that. I'm really mostly doing this for content, but yeah, obviously we're going to make some money on this deal. Now, let me show you guys what's going on here. So this condo unit right here, the total square footage on this is 1,013 square feet. And what I like about this unit is it is on the first floor. And the good news, when you have a property like this on the first floor, you know, if you have water damage, it's all on the first floor. So if you had a unit on the second floor and you had water damage, what would happen is you would have to pay for the upstairs and also the downstairs, so your insurance would be a little bit higher. So that's the bonus for this one. Now, on this one, the original owner lived here for about 30 years, and we acquired this property for $110,000. And I believe when we sell this property, it's worth probably about $220,000, and we're probably going to be putting about $20,000 into this deal. That's what I'm thinking. But let me show you exactly what's going on here. So this is like the living room here. A couple ideas and thoughts that what we're going to do is we're going to repaint the walls. This right here, this was the original built-in. I'm going to take this all off so that way it just looks more open. Carpets will also be completely replaced. We may do the vinyl flooring, or actually laminate flooring, okay? Laminate or the tile wood-like. I'm not too sure what we're going to do yet. Also with the baseboards, we are going to replace out all the baseboards, keep it all straight edge. Now right here on the casings around the window frame, still in great condition. We're probably going to end up just painting this white because I do love the casings around it. It kind of gives you that little charm too right here on this edge, so I do love that. With the fireplace, I'm thinking about getting rid of the bricks here on the floor and having custom tile all the way up to the top of the ceiling. And this is a gas fireplace. Also, what I like about this unit, it's not all electric. It's electric and gas, which is a bonus. Right out here, I'll show you the patio. What's nice about this, you have a patio, all right? It's a pretty decent size. And the good news about this unit is you actually have a pool right over here too as well. We got some extra storage back here. So I think that's good, right? Some storage, Rudy?
Yeah, that's nice. Keep your Christmas decorations.
Yeah. Always have to have storage. Now, the kitchen. Kitchen flooring, this old tile, all this is gonna get ripped out. That's what I'm thinking. We'll rip this out completely. The kitchen, completely outdated. We got to get rid of this whole kitchen. Also this light here. What I'm thinking is that we're going to have an electrician come in here and do the LED 4-can lighting right here. Brand new stoves. The countertops, what we're going to do is I'm thinking white quartz countertops with some beautiful veins. And we're going to do a modern kitchen cabinet, okay? Now we're going to do the full overlays. But as far as like the kitchen drawers itself, we're not going to do the dovetails. We're just going to do the standard side glides, okay? We'll probably end up doing a full backsplash on this as well. Brand new dishwasher, obviously brand new sink. And we're going to get rid of this, obviously, the refrigerator. And when we get rid of the refrigerator, I think we're going to probably do a white refrigerator or the black stainless steel. Also, one thing that I was thinking of is putting another cabinet drop straight down, so that way we have more cabinet space. It's going to be like a pantry, right? In addition to that, I may have cabinets come out all over here so that way you can put more things on top of the cabinet and you have more storage for the kitchen. Let me know in the comments below if that is a great idea or not, okay? We're going to get rid of this ceiling fan, put a beautiful light fixture here, okay? What else are we going to do? Oh, also all the switches real quick, not all the switches, but all the cover plates and all the outlets are all going to be replaced because these are just all completely outdated, so we'll take care of that. Brand new light fixture here, doorbell, that's going to be brand new. Obviously all this is, we're going to get rid of this. We're going to do the smoke detectors too as well. That's going to be brand new. So in this unit we have 2 bedrooms, right? And 2 baths. So let's take a look at the guest bedroom here. Now this guest bedroom is about, I'm going to say 13 by 13. So this is a decent size. What we're going to do is paint, right? The walls, the ceilings. Now, what we're going to do is probably we're going to leave this, the black trim on the closet door. And I think all the fixtures, what we're going to do is we're going to do all black fixtures. And I think that's going to pop. The reason why we're doing that is because this is already all black too. There's no sense of changing that out, okay? Carpets again, I'm not too sure if I'm going to do carpets in the bedroom or just do the laminate flooring throughout or the tile wood-like throughout. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about that. Also, what I like about this bedroom, you do have an outlet too as well for your cable, which is nice, okay? Let's see what else we're going to do. Obviously, we're going to get rid of this, paint on the inside, and that's pretty much for this. Oh, one more thing, the grills for the air conditioning units, we're going to get rid of that because what happened was with this unit, the people that lived here, they really... they were here for so long, they were smoking a lot of cigarettes, so you kind of get that cigarette smoke. We're going to also get rid of this fan, probably replace a brand new fan too as well. Right over here, this is kind of cool. This is actually a door. This door right here, we're actually going to keep this because this actually leads into the laundry room. So you actually have a nice laundry room here. Let me see if I can turn this on. So here's your washer and dryer, okay? We do have a, let's see if it's electric. I don't even know if it's electric or gas. Okay, so on this one is a gas dryer. Yeah, this is a gas dryer, and check this out. You have an option for an electric dryer, a 220 on here, right? Which is really nice. I'm going to get rid of all of this right here, this chicken wire shelving, and just put some wood shelving so it looks really nice. We're going to paint all this up, doll it all up. Now with this door here, we're going to keep this door. We're going to paint this door white because I actually like this door. This is really nice, okay? And plus, I love the fact that this allows this room to breathe. Because if you just have a door, it's just going to be like moldy and stuff like that. So I think this is a good idea that they did this. Now the doors here, leading into this closet, I'm going to get rid of these doors. We're probably going to end up doing a 6th panel door on this. On all the doors actually. Now coming into the bathroom here, we're going to gut everything out. There is nothing in here that we want to keep. Now, believe it or not, this is actually a jacuzzi tub.
What?
So what we're going to do is put a new cast iron tub in here. Well, not a cast iron tub. I do apologize. We're going to do a fiberglass tub, and we're probably going to end up doing the tile all the way up to the top. Okay. What we're going to do is not add a sliding glass door. We're just going to do a shower rod just to save some more money on the flip. Doesn't make any sense because at the end of the day, we know when you flip a property, it's all about profits, okay? Now, brand new toilets. We're going to have brand new cabinets to match the ones inside the kitchen with the fixtures, brand new ceiling fans. Now we're going to rip off this wallpaper too as well and also texture with the brand new door. Now coming here, what I like about this unit we purchased is that you have a brand new furnace and also a brand new air conditioning unit. So that's the plus side on here. The downside is, like I said, the owners of the property at that time, when they were living here, they were smoking in here and they had, obviously all the smoke went all into the ductwork. So we're going to have to figure that out and how to get that smoke out, okay? Obviously, we're going to paint everything. This door is going to be white. Now, when we paint it, we're going to paint it with Kills. Kills actually has a product for smoke. So that way, all the smoke that was, or all the tar smoke, is it tar smoke? What is it, Rudy?
It's both in here.
Yeah, so basically, hopefully that should cover that up. But what I'm going to do is let me open this thing up a little bit more so that way we can get some light here. Okay. Now, this bedroom right here, we're going to, again, do the flooring. But again, we're not too sure if we're going to do the carpet, get rid of the wallpaper. Okay. Brand new doors coming into the bathroom. Okay. Bathroom. We're getting rid of the whole bathroom again. Wallpaper, brand new toilets, brand new flooring, right? The countertops, look how outdated these countertops are. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it's like 70 scallop.
Now what we're gonna do is, this shower, can you get in here, Rudy?
Yeah.
Let's see if you can get in here a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can see the shower. So basically what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get this whole shower, we're gonna get rid of everything, okay? And what we're going to do is, we're going to do it the right way, right? We're going to do a brand new shower pan, tile all the way up to the top. We're going to keep this thing looking modern, right? And we get rid of the fixtures and all that stuff. Now, let's come back out here. Oh, watch yourself, Rudy. Don't be tripping.
I know.
Now, one more thing. There's out here, this is where your water heater is going to be, okay? So with the water heater, what we're going to do is we're going to clean all this up here. It looks like there's some damage up here where the water heater was. We're going to cut that, redo the drywall. We're going to repaint everything and have this in extra closet, so we'll make this thing look nice. Okay. Now the other option is, what we could do is, based upon the condition it is right now, we could possibly wholesale it, or we can also rent this thing out. But we're going to talk about that in a different episode. Should I flip it? Should I wholesale it? Or should I rent this out? We're going to run the numbers together. Now, if you guys like more content like this, let me know. And let me know in the comments below as well, as far as what ideas you have that we should do for this flip property. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, I'm Chakits. Peace.